Not every incidence of tripping leads to falling down. Likewise, in organizations, not all errors lead to failure. But when failure does occur, it can be an uneasy topic of conversation. Yet in recent years, communicating about failure has become popular in various public contexts, offering opportunities to research how leaders meaningfully communicate their fiascos. By analyzing video data from a global community dedicated to sharing professional failure experiences, researchers identified 6 narrative genres used by leaders to communicate their errors and related failures to public audiences. Some leaders relied on the classic fable, or stories involving mythological and folk characters that taught moral tales. Above all, they featured flawed protagonists who self-discovered valuable life lessons. Other leaders provided straight, documentary narratives, exposing the flawed ideas behind failed projects in an informative and candid manner. Both the Greek and modern tragedy were also used, in which a leader may have gone through something devastating, such as a bankruptcy, only to realize he or she was either a victim of circumstance or entirely responsible for the failure. Others found comfort in tragicomedies, in which the stupidity and the foolishness of the protagonist is amplified, hardship is normalized, and irony abounds. Last but not least was absurdist fiction, in which linear construction was abandoned for disjointed tales pointing to the incongruous, irreconcilable, and eventually meaningless experience of its characters. Use of these genres showed the varied ways in which leaders communicate errors in their aftermath, and more importantly, how they mismanaged those errors before they led to disaster. Wonder how leaders communicate errors and failure? If so, you may want to read this paper.